In the fast-evolving world of video editing, the right laptop can elevate your creative projects to new heights. As we step into 2024, let's explore the top 7 laptops that blend cutting-edge technology with the demands of video editing, ensuring you have the power to bring your visions to life. Number 7. Apple MacBook Pro 16 M2 Max. Starting our list at number 7, the Apple MacBook Pro 16 M2 Max stands as the epitome of creative power, tailored for those who refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. With a starting price of $3,749, it's not just a purchase, it's an investment in unparalleled performance that professionals in any creative field can truly appreciate. This marvel of technology is equipped with a formidable 16-core CPU and a staggering 40-core GPU, making it a beacon of strength in the realm of video editing, 3D rendering, and beyond. Imagine having 48 gigabytes of unified memory at your disposal, allowing you to multitask like never before, seamlessly switching between demanding applications without a hint of lag. The 1TB SSD storage is not just about space, it's about speed and efficiency, ensuring that your products load in the blink of an eye and your workflow remains uninterrupted. Its sleek design and stunning Liquid Retina XDR display are a testament to Apple's commitment to excellence, offering creators a canvas that accurately portrays every hue and nuance of their work. Number 6. Razer Blade 16. Number 6. The Razer Blade 16, a laptop that's all about giving you a fantastic experience without emptying your wallet. Priced at just $795, imagine having a super smart brain for your computer. That's what the 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor is. It makes everything run super smooth, whether you're playing the coolest new games or editing your latest video masterpiece. The Razer Blade 16 comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti graphics card. It's like the superhero of graphics cards, making everything look amazing with super cool effects and super sharp images, whether you're gaming or creating. The Razer Blade 16's cape is its 15.6-inch screen that shows everything in full HD. Plus, with a super fast 144Hz refresh rate, it means everything you see is buttery smooth, from fast-paced games to scrolling through your photos. It's got 16 gigabytes of memory, which means you can run lots of programs at once without slowing down. And with a big 512GB storage drive, you got loads of space for all your stuff. If you ever need more, it's easy to add on. Being connected is easy with the Razer Blade 16. It's got the latest Wi-Fi and Ethernet to make sure you're always in the game. Plus, it stays cool under pressure thanks to a smart cooling system that keeps everything running just right. And for all your gadgets, there are plenty of ports to plug into, from USB to HDMI and even Thunderbolt 4. So, you can hook up all your favorite accessories without any fuss. Number 5. Apple 2023 14-inch MacBook Pro Laptop M3. Apple 2023 14-inch MacBook Pro, which costs $2,594.99. It's like a magic box full of tools for people who love to create things, edit videos, or anyone who needs a super reliable computer. Imagine a tiny brain in your laptop that's super smart and fast. That's the M3 chip in this MacBook. It has 8 brains, cores, for doing lots of things at once, and 10 special brains, cores, for making videos or photos look amazing. You know how sometimes your phone dies too quickly? Well, this laptop won't do that. It can last up to 22 hours, so you can work or play all day without needing to charge it. If you use apps like Adobe for drawing or editing, or if you just like using iPhone apps, they all work super fast on this MacBook. It's made to handle all kinds of apps without slowing down. Number 4. Dell XPS 17. Number 4. Meet the Dell XPS 17, a true giant in the laptop world, and it's yours starting at $2,196.48. Picture a laptop that doesn't just keep up with your creative projects, but powers through them like a dream. That's the XPS 17 to you, thanks to its powerhouse 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor. This isn't just any processor, it's a beast that speeds up to 4.7 GHz, making everything from video editing to gaming smooth and fast. Now, let's talk memory and storage, because the XPS 17 doesn't play around. With a whopping 64 gigabytes of the latest DDR5 RAM and a massive 4 terabytes of super fast NVMe SSD storage, you'll never run out of space or patience waiting on things to load. And Windows 11 Professional comes pre-installed, so you're all set with the latest features right out of the box. The display? Oh, it's a stunner. A 17-inch UHD Plus touchscreen that's so vivid and bright your videos and photos will look better than real life. And with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics, you're getting top-tier visuals whether you're editing, creating, or just binge-watching your favorite shows. Number 3. Acer Predator Triton 17X. At number 3, we've got the Acer Predator Triton 17X, a dream machine for anyone who's serious about video editing and gaming. Priced at $3,781.52, this laptop is all about giving you the speed and innovation you need to make your creative process as smooth as butter. Imagine having a tiny supercomputer right at your fingertips. That's the Acer Predator Triton 17X for you thanks to its 13th gen Intel Core i9 processor. With 24 cores and 32 threads, it's like having a whole army ready to tackle any task you throw at it, from editing massive video files to playing the latest games without a hitch. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 laptop GPU inside this beast isn't just fast, it's lightning fast. Built on the super efficient NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, it delivers mind-blowing performance and AI-powered graphics that will make your work and play look unbelievably good. The 17-inch mini LED display is a sight to behold. Not only does it have a super fast 250Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals, but it's also Display HDR 1000 certified, meaning your content will look vibrant and lifelike like never before. With 64GB of DDR5 memory and a 2TB PCIe SSD, you've got all the space and speed you need for your projects. Plus, features like the Acer fingerprint reader and a precision touchpad make your life easier. Number 2. Asus ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED. Slide into the number 2 spot with the Asus ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED, a true masterpiece designed for those who breathe life into visuals. With a price tag of $3,504.90, this laptop is a sanctuary for professional video editors and creators who demand nothing but the best in visual fidelity. The ProArt StudioBook 16-inch OLED display is a window to a world of vibrant colors and deep contrasts, boasting a resolution of 3840 by 2400. It's not just any screen, it's a canvas where every pixel sings with 100% Adobe RGB color space and Pantone validated color accuracy, ensuring what you see is what you get, down to the finest detail. Under the hood, it's powered by an Intel Xeon W11955M processor, which can turbo boost up to 5 GHz. This means you're equipped with the speed and efficiency to tackle complex projects without breaking a sweat, all while running Windows 11 Professional. The NVIDIA RTX A5000 graphics card with 16GB GDDR6 VRAM brings your creations to life, making this laptop RTX Studio ready. Whether it's 3D modeling, high-resolution video editing, or creating intricate animations, the ProArt StudioBook handles it all with grace. With a whopping 4TB of PCIe NVMe SSD storage arranged in a RAID 0 setup and 64GB of DDR4 memory, you'll never find yourself wanting for space or speed. Load up your most demanding projects and multitask like a pro without a hint of lag. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16 M3 Max. Wrapping up our list with a true champion, the MacBook Pro 16 with the M3 Max chip, priced at $3,449.08. It's the crown jewel for video editors and creative professionals. This isn't just a laptop, it's a powerhouse that brings Apple's finest technology to your fingertips, ensuring your creative visions come to life without a hitch. Whether you choose the M3 Pro or the M3 Max, you're in for a treat. The M3 Pro dazzles with its 12-core CPU and 18-core GPU, perfect for heavy-duty tasks like photo editing or code compilation. Opt for the M3 Max and you're looking at an up to 16-core CPU and a whopping 40-core GPU, ready to tackle the most complex 3D rendering or AI-driven projects with ease. Imagine working all day on a single charge. With up to 22 hours of battery life, the MacBook Pro 16 makes this a reality thanks to Apple's silicon efficiency. Whether you're plugged in or on the go, your productivity won't skip a beat. The 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is a window to a world of vibrant colors and deep contrasts with over 1000 nits of brightness to make your HDR content pop, and up to 600 nits for SDR content. It's your portable studio for doing your best work anywhere. Speed is of the essence, and with the MacBook Pro 16, all your essential apps run faster than ever. From Adobe Creative Cloud to Apple Xcode and beyond, your workflow will be smoother and more efficient. With a suite of ports including MagSafe, Thunderbolt 4, and HDMI, connecting your peripherals is a breeze. Advanced security features keep your work safe, while Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure you're always connected quickly and securely. In the dynamic field of video editing, choosing the right laptop can significantly impact your creative workflow. From the high-end Apple MacBook Pro 16 M3 Max to the versatile Asus ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED, each laptop on this list is a testament to the advancements in technology tailored for video editing. Which one would you choose to bring your creative visions to life? Share your thoughts and let's discuss the future of video editing technology together.